And I live day by day.
Hello world, I'm Marsha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for checking it out. And if you're returning, thank you immensely. So if you're new, I want to explain a little more about my channel. It mostly encompasses travel content, just things I like to do for self-exploration, but I also love elements of fashion, beauty, lifestyle, foodie, moments like mukbangs. I love Taco Bell. So I have a little mixture of everything on my channel, but it mostly encompasses travel and occasional reviews. And sometimes I try to sneak in a New York City moment, and that's not too often. But I live in New York, I'm made in Minnesota, but I love to travel. But today's video is going to be an unboxing from a YouTuber friend by the name of Shelly. She is in Raleigh, North Carolina. I want to also point out, I am not a beauty channel. I am not a makeup channel. I love makeup. I'm obsessed with skincare, but I do want to talk about my look. I decided to do something a little more vampy. I actually own this amazing palette. It is a HUDA beauty dupe. I kid you not, for the new Nude palette that she has. And literally the colors are similar to what she has in her palette. And the color names are even similar. The placement is even similar. I mean, some of them are switched around to different spots, but I'm wearing it right now. I love it. Like, it's really good. I went into Sephora, even showed some associates, and they were like, wow, the formula is really not that bad at all. And I'm gonna link all the descriptions below. The lipstick. This is old school Chanel Vamp. I kid you not, I should probably throw this away. You're gonna be like, throw it away, it's old. But you know what? This was like my first Chanel lipstick that I ever bought. Like, I don't even remember. Chanel Vamp came out in like 1997. I mean, I didn't buy it then. Maybe I bought it in the early 2000s, but it's old and I hardly have used it, and it actually goes on really nicely. It smells fragrance. There's hardly any of that chapsticky, waxy smell, but yes, the Chanel Vamp is different than the Chanel Vamp you get now. The Chanel Vamp now, it's not the same color. It's a little bit more warm. Like, I don't think it's as deep. Like, this was such a big, like, Courtney Love, huge, like, grungy, like, inspiration back in the late 90s, I think, and like, I still have it. In fact, I still even have the Chanel Vamp liner. This is what I'm wearing. I feel like I need to keep it. It was something that was nostalgic of my makeup history. Chanel lip liner, I love it. Like, it still works really well. I did crank it around on a sharpener just to get rid of the old usage, and it's got a nice little brush tip. Yeah, so I cleaned all that up. Old school Chanel Vamp, no judgment. Shelly sent me this box. I'm embarrassed to say that I am finally getting to opening it, and I have not had time to film. So Shelly, thank you in advance. Like, this is so sweet of you. Okay, so I love accessories. This padded velour headband gives me like Jesus Christy crucifix, like halo glowing vibes. I don't know, I like it. It's very like Renaissance, and I love pearls. Since I'm Asian, I have to like pearls. And this top, it's from Forever 21. I love the sleeves and the neck. It's very like ethereal feeling. So yes, I love the sheerness of it. And I bought another color and blush. So let's get this package open. I'm so excited. Oh, it's heavy. Made in North Carolina. We have this cedar wood and patchouli. This smells amazing. Soap number 2 is turmeric tantrum soap. Wow, they smell so wonderful. Okay, these are 2 bars. There's bergamot and pine. Oh my gosh, I love this scent. Lavender and goat milk soap. Fir balsam soap. This smells amazing as well. Oh my God, there's so many soaps. Cafe latte soap. I'm not kidding you, this smells like better than Caribou and Starbucks. Rose garden exfoliate soap. Yeah, this smells divine too. I don't know what Adorn soap really is, but it smells novelty. I like it. What is this? Lemon lime soap. I already like this. This is awesome. I can't wait to use this. Lemongrass goat milk soap. So good. They all smell so real. Tea tree shampoo bar. I love tea tree. It is a natural disinfectant, kills bacteria. It's one of the best ways to like clean your makeup brushes. I could use this as well. Lemon lavender shampoo bar. This is really nice too. So I've got 2 shampoo bars so far. Here is Acne busting face soap. Curious, can't wait to try these. Clary Sage and Rosemary. They smell so good. I'm blown away actually. Egg White Delight Soap. This smells really cute. There is a Nostalgia soap. This is also another ambient soap, much like the Adorn soap. Not sure what the exact smell is, but there's almond oil and other essential oils. Gardener and Mechanic soap, Brazilian Orange. This is the only round one. There's 2 other ones that are wrapped. Well, this is pretty. One is Subtle Citrus. Oh my gosh, smells amazing. And Defender Grow. These are so great. Okay, and we're back. I just counted 19 bars of soap. Like, oh my gosh, like what else did Shelly send me? Like more homemade lip balms. Like a whole baggie full. Oh my gosh, what is this? Honey Blueberry Lip Balm. Did you make all this? It's sealed. So yeah, this is like beeswax, coconut oil, raw honey, fragrance oil. I'm excited. I am like not gonna run out of lip balm anytime soon. So Shelly, thank you. Now, what else is this? This is something called Kula Classic Face Sunscreen with white tea. And it's organic sunscreen. I've never heard of this brand. Okay, so this will be perfect for when I go back to Australia. And the sun there is damn crazy scorching hot. What is this? Playa Endless Summer Spray. Oh, so it's for Southern California sea salt. Gives hair the perfectly tousled texture. Well, let's try this. Like, is this a spray? Let's try this. Like, I'm not really that sun-kissed California girl type, but I can morph into different looks. It smells really good though. Now, what is this? This is something from Avon. It's a heated eyelash curler. Okay, I've used these before a long time ago, but yes, this is what it looks like. Now, there's another layer of goodies. What is all this? Oh my gosh! Shelly, thank you. This is awesome. Like, okay, this is a thickening style foam. It's by some brand called R & Company. It is sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free. Like, I'm gonna eat it, right? I'm looking forward to trying this. This is what it looks like. Another Endless Summer. Okay, so I've got 2 of these. Thank you, Shelly. I'm gonna have Endless Summer Tousled Beachy Hair. Brow Liner, Shape and Defined. Okay, so I've got this brow liner. Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. I don't usually wear mascara too often. I usually will put it maybe over my brow hair. It's just to make it more intense because like I like dark brows. I usually just wear strip lashes, but yes, this is the mascara brand. If you've heard of it, here it is. And ooh, what is this? Ace Beauty. I got a palette from Shelly too. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so this Grandiose palette from Ace Beauty. This is pretty. Yeah, like I think she may have reviewed it before. I don't know, but I like the colors. Volume Spray by a brand that I've seen at Sephora, but I can't pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yes, this is very cool. This one is also Beachy Wave Spray. Oh, I'm getting the sense that Shelly thinks I have like tousled hair at the beach. Like I'm not really a huge beach goer. Bella Eye Care Eye Makeup Remover. This I can always use. I am overwhelmed right now. And what is this? Boost Your Glow Peptide Complex Serum. And I'll definitely use this. I like this kind of stuff. Okay, 2 Burt's Bees lipsticks. One is in color Fuchsia Flood. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, I would wear this color. And Ruby Ripple. Okay, beautiful. I've never tried Burt's Bees lipsticks yet. I don't think I've ever tried any of their products except for like a lip balm, like when they first started out with their brand. Next up, I have a little Stila mini lipstick. I love red lipstick. Thank you. I was actually thinking of getting a new matte red, like long-lasting lipstick. Okay, we're coming down to the end. Oh my gosh, masks, sheet masks. I love these. These are very K-beauty. Hydration, tea tree, Pure Nice watermelon. Okay, these are all made in Korea, so I know they're all good. I love these. So what a treat. Okay, there's one little object here. It is a sharpener. This Mary Kay made in Germany. So this is nice. And I have something called All Matte Pore Invisible Face Primer. I need a small primer for when I travel. This is perfect. And it's by the brand HUDA. Never heard of this, but if you have, let me know how you like it. And at the bottom of all of this, there is like a handful of like little Asian candies. This is what it looks like. Like there's a bunch of them at the bottom. Is this candy? No, I'm embarrassed. It's not candy. Face masks. Like I think you put them in water and they expand. I thought these were candy. I seriously am thinking about food right now. I thought these were candy, like mints. I'm like, well that's nice of Shelly. She sends me candy. They're like compressed cotton. This is such a treat. I haven't received a nice care package in a while. And everyone, please check out Shelly's channel as well. I'm gonna have it linked above. And I think my favorites are the soap and lip balms, just because they're handcrafted and homemade. What are your favorites? I mean, I have more soaps than I could do with right now. I'm gonna definitely use all these. These smell so amazing. Thank you. And if you are excited for more uploads, hit the bell notification so that way you know when I have a new video. And feel free to subscribe, give this video a like, and see you on the next one. Goodbye, world.